Zellido.com. A ginger, garlic and honey remedy for high cholesterol. High cholesterol can lead to cardiovascular problems, the world's biggest killer. Therefore, you need to keep your cholesterol levels under control. If you tend to have high levels of cholesterol, it's vitally important to keep them under control. In this article, we'll tell you how to make a ginger, garlic, and honey remedy for high cholesterol. To prevent cardiovascular problems or complications, you should stick to a balanced diet and control your cholesterol levels with the right medication. Or, better yet, control them with a natural remedy for high cholesterol. It's always cheaper and has almost no side effects. How to tell if you have high cholesterol. Cholesterol is a substance produced by the liver and is similar to fat. It's found in all the cells of the body and is necessary for your body to work properly. However, too much cholesterol can be very dangerous for your health because it increases the risk of cardiovascular problems. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, cardiovascular illnesses kill more than 17 million people every year around the world. This is partly due to not receiving adequate treatment. Despite there being many alternative and natural medicines for regulating cholesterol, many people don't try to do it. There are even people who ignore their high cholesterol. But how do you know if your cholesterol levels are normal? Look out for the following signs: inflammation of the limbs, headaches, bad breath, bloating or indigestion, blurred vision, chest pains, dizziness, constipation, weakness and fatigue. If you show signs of any of these symptoms, you should go straight to your doctor. They'll be able to do blood tests to determine if you have high cholesterol. Normal levels of this lipid in the blood depend on age and gender. A ginger, garlic, and honey remedy for high cholesterol. This remedy for high cholesterol is a great option if you want to regulate your blood cholesterol levels quickly. It's simple to prepare and not expensive. It helps to clean your arteries, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. The ingredients also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Therefore, they can also help with conditions like indigestion, hypertension, arthritis, and asthma. Here are a few of the benefits. Garlic improves blood flow and cardiac health. It's an anticoagulant, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. Ginger prevents lipid peroxidation and prevents the liver from synthesizing bad cholesterol, LDL, which comes from certain foods. Just like garlic, it's also an antioxidant. Honey reduces levels of triglycerides and bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases levels of good cholesterol, HDL. It has antioxidant properties which can prevent certain diseases. It's also a great healthy substitute for sugar. Ingredients: 4 cloves of garlic, 3 centimeters of ginger root, half cup of lemon juice, 125 milliliters, 8 cups of water, 2 liters, 1 cup of honey, 336 grams, 1 gallon of water. Preparation: peel the garlic cloves and put them in a food processor with the root ginger. Blend for a few minutes until you get a smooth paste. Add the lemon juice along with the water. Finally, add the honey. Strain the drink if necessary and pour it into a glass bottle or jar. Leave it for at least 5 days in a cool, dark place. You can also keep it in the fridge if you prefer. How to use it? You can take this remedy for high cholesterol on an empty stomach or before each meal. Don't consume it for more than 2 weeks in a row. You can also add a little apple cider vinegar to add even more health benefits. Note: if this drink tastes a little strong to you, you can also dissolve 2 tablespoons of it in a glass of water and drink it diluted instead before each meal. Regardless of how you take it, this remedy will help improve your cardiovascular health. The important thing is to be disciplined and consistent, as well as complementing it with a good diet and some physical exercise. In this case, this means reducing the amount of saturated fats and foods which raise cholesterol. Although the liver produces cholesterol, the cholesterol that comes from food is what mostly affects the body. So, watch what you eat. Remember to have an annual checkup so that your doctor can check your cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and blood sugar levels. If you're in a high-risk group for cardiovascular illnesses, you should go more frequently. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thanks for watching.